Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 84 divide in the parenthesis 7 plus 5, okay, then multiply 9. So now let's solve this question correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. But before solving this question correctly, I want to see your answer. So please comment your answer. Please stop this question right now. Stop this video right now and comment your answer step by step, okay? I am personally giving every comment a score out of 10. So let's see who get a 10 out of 10. Okay. Before comment, you can check the solution by play this video. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. So first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right, okay? In this question, here we have one parenthesis and one multiplication. First priority is parenthesis, then we have to solve multiplication, okay? So is equal to now solve this parenthesis. So in this parenthesis, one division and one another parenthesis. Okay, so first priority parenthesis, so we have to solve this parenthesis. So 84 divide, now solve this parenthesis, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Multiply 9. So now 84 divide 12 is equal to 7. Okay. One second. Okay. 7 multiply 9. So now 7 multiply 9 is equal to 63. Okay. So the correct answer is 63. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.